What is the one thing that you just hate to see after a long day at work? Dirty dishes in the kitchen sink. Nobody wants to see the dishes right after they eat. In fact, we dread doing the dishes at all. That's where a dishwasher comes in. A dishwasher is something that not all Indian households inherently have, but it is something we all need. Faber has the solution for you, as they have a wide range of dishwashers that are loaded with features all across the board. But there's a reason why dishwashers never worked in an Indian setting. Our food is greasy, oily, and a dishwasher simply can't cope up with it. Faber has customized their dishwasher specifically for the Indian market, as their 3D washing technology sprays water from 3 directions, which not only cleans the dishes with ease but also does it in less time. All of this is done with hot water at 70 degrees Celsius, which means that you don't have to worry about bacteria or viruses remaining on the plates after they are cleaned. As an added layer of protection, the dishwasher even removes the calcium and magnesium ions from the water, thus removing its hardness and preventing any salt deposition on the dishes. While using a dishwasher saves you from the manual labor, Faber has also ensured that it saves water as well. With each load of dishes, the dishwasher saves up to 80% of the water that you would otherwise require while doing dishes by hand. And it also frees you from doing the manual labor of scrubbing, rinsing, and drying the dishes on your own. In the 30 minutes the dishwasher takes to clean all the dishes, you can do basically anything you want without having to worry about it. There are electricity savings as well, with the dishwasher consuming only 1/4 the amount of electricity as compared to traditional washing. So it comes down to just ₹25 per load, and that includes the usage of water, detergent, as well as electricity. But at the end of the day, it is all about convenience. Who doesn't want to eat whatever they want to without having to worry about the dishes piling up in the sink? The Faber dishwasher has space for up to 70 dishes in one load. Of course, not all of those will be just dishes. With Faber, you can even stuff larger utensils like pots and pans and enjoy a cup of tea without worrying about cleaning the pot. The dishwasher comes with multiple modes like intensive, normal, eco, and a special mode called glass, which takes special care of all your glassware and ensures their longer life. The story doesn't end there. With a minimal noise level, you can plop your dishes in the dishwasher and get on your office video conference without having to worry about the background noise. Or if you have midnight cravings, you can throw in your dishes at the end and get them squeaky clean without waking others in the house, and your secret is safe with the dishwasher.